Are multi-agent AI systems just glorified Hayekian marketplaces in disguise? Turns out, our sophisticated multi-agent AI systems keep stumbling upon a principle laid out by economist Friedrich Hayek in 1945, the price signal as a coordination tool. These systems, mirroring DARPA's offset program's quest for swarm intelligence adaptability, are unwittingly redesigning what Hayek identified as the most efficient distributed coordination mechanism. Imagine a fleet of autonomous drones, a hive of digital bees, using price-like bidding systems to assess task importance and resource allocation. They echo the behavior of diverse individual market players who navigate complexities with simple price cues, much like military supply chains or biological ecosystems coordinating through chemical signals and instinctual patterns. Why does fusing AI with market economics matter? Beyond optimizing AI performance, it reflects on how our technological systems are starting to mimic deeply rooted human and economic behaviors. With defense tech leaning toward such autonomously orchestrated systems, we're observing a shift that not only reshapes military strategy but possibly paves the way for AI's role in global economics and geopolitical stability. Follow for more defense tech insights nobody is talking about.